Meaning of downlink.
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 Downlink. Downlink refers to the transmission of data from a satellite or other spacecraft to a ground station on Earth. During downlink, the data is conveyed down to the receiving device via radio frequency signals. This process involves a transmitter located on the spacecraft sending the signals to a receiver on the ground. The downlink can carry a wide variety of data, including telemetry, scientific data, and images. Downlink plays a critical role in space exploration, enabling scientists and engineers to receive valuable information from space-based missions and use it for research and other purposes.